Hello, Kim Cho, Sastriyakal, and Ola to all the listeners. Like जितने hello बोल दिए उतने तो views भी नहीं आने वाले हैं, but
दो
like
लोग देखेंगे.
this is the first episode for Oversteer. So welcome everyone for the first time. And like if I wanted to explain कि format क्या है, so the basic would be कि I will be sitting along with the people who I know or the people who are like big fans of F1, and we'll be talking about the races, season, the driver lineups, everything and anything related to F1. तो पूरा पॉडकास्ट होगा अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में. इट विल बी इन हिंदी, इंग्लिश, गुजराती, एज पर द कन्वीनियंस ऑफ द पॉडकास्टर्स. Okay, it's not as per the convenience of the you or the
Viewers.
consumers or the viewers. It's more about the podcasters this time. So all of them, all the meaning would be converted into captions, and you can read the captions below. So if you can't read the captions, then I think you have better things to attend to than watching this podcast.
Good luck.
Good luck with that. And then, okay, so the podcast will be available every night on Monday after the race weekend. So we'll be trying to put out a show after every race weekends if possible. And in between the seasons, we'll have some videos here and there, but we'll look into it. No commitments yet. Fair. By the way, we have here with me Devansh Singh.
Hello.
So I'd like to have a very warm welcome. Thank you for being with me on the podcast.
No worries.
First guest.
Roommates for 2 years.
Roommates
At
for-
least I can do.
So भाई देवांश, आपने कैसे start किया? For the audience, I know how you did it, but like for the audience, how did you start F1?
Basically, मैं जब पहली बार द्रुमल के साथ मूव इन हुआ था, I think first year, second sem, holidays थी, winter break था, तो ऐसे खाली like usually winter break में पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए, ठीक है? But मैं खाली बैठा रहता था, तो द्रुमल सर ने देखा कि like चल रहा है इसका कुछ नहीं, तो he showed me a series on Netflix called Drive to Survive, where I started watching it. It's about F1, the whole story behind the scenes and the races. I got hooked onto it. I watched like 4 or 5 seasons with Drumel. And then
तो भाई like why do you like F1? Like क्या है F1 में जो like इतना connect कर दिया?
I think personally, I watch a lot of sports. I watch football. I watch esports as well, Valorant, CS. So I've been attached to sports a lot. And then looking at F1, it combines two of the things that I like, which is fast-paced sport. Like it's not as slow as like a fucking chess classical match, and also the thrill of, and every single driver has their own character, has their own attitude. It's so interesting if you think about it at every level, even small levels. There's 200 people in the paddock doing different shit.
Different shit.
Yeah, so I think it's a very interesting sport.
Like even the last two teams are competing against each other.
Yeah, like the teams are competing for 1 point throughout the season, like 23 races. Normally people would think like getting 1 point is not the biggest deal, but to them it is.
So for the people who are like just watching this podcast but like अभी F1 नहीं देखा है, वो कम होगा possible, but I would say just if you haven't watched F1 before and you want to get into it, watch Drive to Survive, guys.
I would recommend.
Like we are not sponsored or anything. First episode है.
दो viewers वालों को sponsor नहीं किया जाता.
Exactly. But it's actually really really good in terms of वो लोग depth में जाता है in what's the story behind all the drivers, all the constructor teams. They explain you the format of the Formula 1 and everything. Like even the politics, spice, drama, सब कुछ भरा हुआ है.
They build the storyline.
They have built the storyline, and since Formula 1 has started in 2018, 2019, the entire viewer base of Formula 1 has increased significantly. Like the way they have captured the entire thing is insane. So I watch Drive to Survive is my best advice to you, and they will get hooked to it.
Yeah.
तो भाई there are a lot of things to talk about in this season. तो पहले तो अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे with F175 live event जो O2 में हुआ था. तो like what are some views? Like I don't mind critical views as well.
My best view would be that Max loved the event. Like for sure, 100%. No, but actually, I think, of course, the Ferrari aura moment, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc, aura, then Jack Whitehall, funny, like holy shit, jokes after jokes. The livery reveals were fine,
Like that part itself, I thought ki wo was a big waste of time.
actually, the main part of the event was like, ठीक है, okay.
Like basically they revealed something new and showed the last year same thing.
Like, I was like, okay, good for you. Red and white, nice.
Red and white कर दिया HP का logo लगा के.
Also, off topic, but Ferrari's livery doesn't look great. Like,
The shade this time, even the merchandise looks really good.
I think the HP logo should be red instead of blue.
Like there should be some like less whiteness to it.
Yeah.
But baki to I would say it's really good.
Baki to, like Hamilton, anything that Hamilton touches is gold, so like it doesn't matter.
So next outfit that Devansh is gonna wear is neon outfit worn by Hamilton.
Yeah, if Hamilton touches, I'm wearing it. Fuck it, don't care.
So next is by winter season is happening, and I think it just finished back there in Bahrain.
Bahrain, three-day testing, I think.
3 day ka testing tha.
Yeah.
So what do you feel about the testing? Like you saw the cars on the first time on the track for 2025 with the new liveries, but with the new car modifications. So kya lag raha hai?
I think like the dead obvious. McLaren looked the strongest for sure as a team, but my surprise was that Red Bull doesn't look too great. Like they look okay, and then like Ferrari looked great. Like Hamilton topped the charts day 2.
That was surprising, bro.
That's not surprising. That's why he's the GOAT.
So context. This is a Hamilton fan. So by the way, guys,
Dying on this hill. I'll die on this hill.
Welcome to Ferrari.
Welcome to Ferrari.
So I am a very big Ferrari fan. So welcoming my fellow guy to be tortured together throughout the season.
So for people who don't know context, Ferrari makes you believe in things that don't exist, and then they make you lose your belief that the things that do exist. So like Plan C, Plan L, those things will happen throughout the season, and I'll be there because Hamilton is there.
So like, if I had to give a short sentence about being a Ferrari fan or tifosi, as we have said, being a Ferrari fan is like being in a toxic relationship. Okay, like you can't leave it even if they are like fucking destroying your life or like fucking with your mental health. Kuch bhi karo, you can't leave it because you are addicted to the thing. And that's just a Ferrari fan, like an average Ferrari fan. So welcome to the scenario.
I'm in the club. I'm on board.
So new driver lineups. Lewis Hamilton, of course, big shift to Ferrari.
Yeah.
Carlos Sainz, meanwhile. For all the Carlos fans, guys, sorry for you guys.
Sorry for the loss.
Sorry for the loss.
But like 7-time world champion, so fuck you. No, I think like that's the best case scenario. Like Lewis Hamilton taking your seat is.
But at least instead of Williams, they could have like Mercedes.
I think Red Bull should have picked him up. I don't. Like we'll see what
like Carlos का अगर तू हिस्ट्री देखे तो वो आया है फ्रॉम Red Bull के जूनियर टीम एग्जैक्टली तो he came from there, so technically I think Red Bull should have been like कि हम लोग का ड्राइवर था.
He has chemistry with Verstappen as well. I think he recently got announced as the driver association leader. So in place of Vettel. So Vettel retired, of course, and then he was the representative for the Drivers Association, but Carlos got voted by everyone to be.
So what is the Drivers Association?
Like basically, it's a union for the drivers.
Oh, so like the person represents the driver को क्या चाहिए वो है.
if shit goes
What
wrong.
did he say about the swearing and everything?
I don't think so. They have made a public statement yet.
अभी तक नहीं आया.
I don't think so. I think they've been in talks with FIA because like of course they're gonna swear like
हाँ, like
200 की स्पीड पे कोई अगर तुझे छू देगा तो you're not
200 miles.
हाँ 200 miles
300 kilometers.
अगर कोई तुझे छू देगा तो तू ये नहीं बोलेगा ओई लग गई
गाली निकलेगी.
गाली निकलेगी
और जो भाषा में आती है वो भी निकलेगी.
हाँ जितनी भाषा में आती है उतने में निकलेगी.
तो भाई there are like 6 or 7 new drivers on this grid season.
Rookies.
तो rookies, तो वो एक पूरा डायनामिक शिफ्ट भी करता है फ्रॉम लाइक देख ऐसा है कि 2026 इज न्यू रेगुलेशंस आर आउट देयर. तो इफ यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग F1 फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि बिफोर द रेगुलेशंस आर स्विच्ड, जो भी फाइनल ईयर होता है इज द प्लेस वेयर ऑल द कार्स आर डेवलप्ड टू देयर मैक्स. तो क्या होता है कि ऑल द टीम्स एटलीस्ट द फ्रंट एंड द बैक दे आर ऑल लाइक ज़्यादा स्क्वीज अप होके एंड देयर इज मोर कॉम्पिटिशन टूवर्ड्स दैट लास्ट सीजन. बट इन दिस केस क्या हो रहा है कि लास्ट सीजन में जिस बिफोर द रेगुलेशन चेंज नए ड्राइवर्स आ गए हैं. तो दिस चेंजेस द एंटायर डायनामिक कि अब the team has like new rookies who cannot deal with the good cars or might not be able to perform at that level जो experienced driver कर सकता है. Meanwhile you have to still perform the best so that you can get the best result in 2025 season. So this is a very interesting move.
I think the driver pairings are very interesting. Like some people sticking with their guns. Of course, McLaren sticking with their guns.
I think it's the most obvious choice.
Like there's no other choice. Like what they did last season, the consistency, holy.
Like I would say most of the pair का वो रहेगा कि favorite तो Leclerc Hamilton होगा. But apart from that, who do you think will like shine out as a pair together this year?
I think other than Hamilton and Leclerc, I would say McLaren, because I don't see Red Bull shining out because I think they will have clashes. I don't see Verstappen going well with someone who's ambitious. I think Verstappen needs a guy who will just sit down, lie down in front of him. Like I think Verstappen has basically Verstappen needs to clap those cheeks. So I think that's not gonna happen with Liam Lawson. So I think that's not gonna happen. Aston Martin is just there for fucking around. So like that shit's not happening. And then the rest is just rookies. So
what is your, if you had to predict one thing कि ये F1 season में ये होगा जो like पहले नहीं हुआ है तो वो क्या होगा?
Lewis Hamilton 8th World Championship.
I should have known that. Like वो पता होना चाहिए था.
That obvious first choice.
So मेरा एक theory है. I think I told this to Devansh before, but वो theory ये है कि the top 4 teams would be much more closer packed this time in rest of this like in comparison to the rest of the 6 of the teams, because जो भी last के 6 team है they are allocating more resources towards the 2026 season. Meanwhile, Ferrari, Mercedes, McLaren and Red Bull, they are still gunning for 2025. तो ऐसा क्या होगा कि फ्रॉम एस्टन मार्टिन ऑनवर्ड्स जो भी नीचे की टीम्स है वो लोग डेवलप नहीं करेंगे कार इतना ज़्यादा थ्रू आउट द ईयर, तो जो गैप एंड डिस्क्रिपेंसी बिटवीन द मिडफील्डर्स एंड द टॉप पीपल विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. तो अभी मिडफील्डर्स काइंड ऑफ कुछ नहीं रहेगा. इधर यू आर एट द बैक ऑफ द ग्रिड विद द 6 ऑफ द टीम्स, इधर एंड और एल्स यू आर विद द टॉप. तो काइंड ऑफ एक मिडफील्डर हो सकता है तो सिर्फ एस्टन मार्टिन एक मिडफील्डर बने, बट दैट इज आल्सो अ लेस चांस ऑफ.
I think so. I agree that like top 10 you'll mostly see the same 10 guys.
8 those 8 guys will be there.
I think
अगर कोई क्रैश वैश हो गया then that's a different thing.
Barring exceptions, I think it'll be like those are in the top 10. I think.
So this is one prediction we have. So what are some major regulation changes 2026 सीजन का जो अभी आया है? तो वन वेरी बिग चेंज वी नो इज द DRS सिस्टम निकल गया. तो विच इज़ वेरी फंडामेंटल बिकॉज पीपल हु हैव बीन वाचिंग F1 सबको पता है कि व्हाट इज DRS. पीछे का फ्लैप खुलता है, यू गेट मोर स्पीड, यू गेट मोर एरोडायनामिक्स टू गो फॉरवर्ड टू मेक एन ओवरटेक इफेक्टिवली बेसिकली. तो उसके बदले वो लोग ने एक इलेक्ट्रिकल बूस्टिंग सिस्टम लेके आया है, आई थिंक MG UK के थ्रू साथ में. बट इट्स बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रिक बूस्ट विच यू कैन यूज और वो रीफिल होता रहेगा. सो यू कैन इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट स्ट्रेट्स एंड वो एक DRS पैच, you can use the entire boost system anywhere on the grid. So like suppose to जब भी वो लोग turn करते हैं in those high angles or something like that, तो तभी भी also they can take a boost and just go ahead. और मान लो कि someone like just like has a वो lockup और fuck हो गया, then you will have a very great advantage if you can use the boost at the right time.
I think it's an interesting dynamic, especially after last season जो हम लोग देख रहे थे कि even though with DRS people couldn't overtake because of this fucking straight line speed for cars like Mercedes, let's say, even though they have a shit car on the curves, like straight line speed की वजह से with DRS people wouldn't be able to overtake them. So like I think this introduces like an interesting dynamic कि like कहीं पे भी overtake हो रहे हैं.
चल, according to you, ये out of the वो है script question. What is the most boring F1 race throughout the year?
Last season और
सारे like कोई भी उसमें तुझे सबसे ज्यादा बोर कौन सा ग्रांड प्री देखने में होता है कि यार ये नहीं देखना है मुझे यार, लाइक ये बोरिंग है बहुत, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है.
can't say British Grand Prix क्योंकि Hamilton won.
Bro, British तो impossible. Like Silverstone is like the most crazy one.
What was the Chinese? Was there the Chinese Grand Prix?
Chinese? I don't think so. I don't remember. पता नहीं. I think था mostly.
I think tha and
You're forgetting one very important Grand Prix.
Which one?
So according to me, Monaco is the most boring Grand Prix out there. Like,
well, they're not overtakes, but I like the scenery. That's why I didn't include
scenery.
I think the fucking the track is cool. Like a circuit, city track, I fuck with heavy, so that's why I didn't.
But there's no overtakes.
There's no overtakes, but like a city track being this congested and being in the city, I just fuck with the concept heavy. That's why I didn't include it. Yeah,
fair. And like I think सबके bucket list में ये होगा कि even though fucking
boring race है,
but you want to go there and experience
like
that.
Monza and then Monaco, I think.
Exactly. I think Monza is also like on the top. Like
Monza should be at the top.
I'm being a Tifosi now.
A Ferrari fan, like holy, I'm buying tickets. I'm saving money. No.
By the way, हम लोग जा रहे हैं. We're going to go for Montreal Grand Prix on 14th June.
I think so.
14 to 16 June. तो शायद से अगर मैं वो थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड करके दिखा सकूँ, hopefully. Let's see. Next thing is कि कार का वेट थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, but important thing is भाई एक अभी हिंट आया है कि there is a chance that V10 engine can be back or at least the sounds can be back. But like the जो प्रेसिडेंट है FIA का नहीं जो लिबर्टी मीडिया का, ही इज बैकिंग की ब्रिंग द V10 engines back. जो पता है वो आवाज करते थे हैमिल्टन के टाइम पे, लाइक जब वो मैक्लारेन में था.
If they bring the sound back, that's stupid. Like I don't care about like I care about the like engine with the sound is the real deal. Like just bringing a fucking speaker to the engine की like this sounds real. That's
अरे नहीं, पर एक्चुअली फर्क पड़ेगा at least to the people who are watching the race in the ground.
I guess.
Because वो भाई एक sound is crazy, like वो V10 engine का करके जो जाता है.
Yeah, like OG sounds like actually.
That's crazy. तो we'll move on to next segment, ठीक है? तो this is a quiz, छोटा सा quiz है. Let's see तेरा F1 knowledge कितना है.
I'm gonna fail for sure.
आज का मिड टर्म तो हो गया.
आज का मिड टर्म हो गया, ये नहीं होगा.
Yeah, like try to keep it like general, but who has won multiple choice? Who has won who has secured the most amount of pole positions in an F1 season? A. Max Verstappen. B. Lewis Hamilton. C. Sebastian Vettel. And D. Michael Schumacher.
I think if you don't say Max Verstappen, you're stupid. So I'm gonna say Verstappen.
You're wrong.
It's Hamilton?
It's Sebastian Vettel.
When?
Sebastian Vettel in his 2011 ka season, where he won the second Grand Prix, he took 15 pole positions out of 19.
Oh.
15. That's more than like 70% or something like that percentage.
Wow, okay. Yeah.
But still 15 pole positions is insane.
Yeah, actually.
Fair. Next is which Formula 1 driver holds the record for the most wins at a single Grand Prix, and how many times has he won it?
I'm gonna say Hamilton at Silverstone 7 or
Very
eight-
close.
8,
Oh, very close.
9.
9.
9. Yeah, I know it's Hamilton at Silverstone. I didn't know it was
The last 2024 ka was the ninth
9th.
one.
Yeah.
So 9 Grand Prix wins.
Hamilton facts I know. Got this shit down.
True fan, true fan.
True fact.
Next, और एक है, last one. At which Grand Prix did Sebastian Vettel win his fourth and final Formula One World Championship in 2013?
I want to say India, but I don't know.
Bro, it's actually correct. Like, not even kidding.
Let's go.
Bro,
Let's go.
that's insane guess. Like, it's an Indian Grand Prix. 2013 में सेबेस्टियन वेटल, पता है उसका एक फोटो है where he's
The
going
nailing
down
down.
to
Yeah,
the
that's what I remembered. I was like, is that the fourth one or the third one? I was like, fucking we ball.
the perfect like Indian Grand Prix था.
Nice.
Okay, so this next segment is very interesting one. Okay, I just like thought about this in the morning. तो basically क्या होगा? This is the reel section where there are I'll show you F1 reels और तुझे rate करना है और in terms of like best कौन सा था? Like you just have to pick the best reel out of all of them.
Got it.
ठीक है? So I'll just show you over here. Okay. First is this one.
Oh, I saw this one.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम
Then next reel is Verstappen there.
I think there was an actual issue. Like Hamilton tried to order vegan pasta and then they were
In
like
Italy.
Italy, and they were like, nah, we don't do this shit, bro.
Italy people don't give a fuck, man.
Italy people were like, what do you mean without cheese?
Fair next.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever
Plan L. Next is
Vasuli bhai.
Vasuli is crazy. This is very true.
The Egyptians believed the most significant thing you could do in your life was die. And the more important you were, the more complicated your death had to be.
When you're a Ferrari fan.
When you're Ferrari fan. भाई खाली में तो कुछ भी बात करते बोला एक्चुअली में
Actually.
ये भाई जो क्या रिक्रिएट किया यार
This thing is fucking awesome.
crazy recreation. This is the last one.
कौन है कौन है आप?
ऊंचे टीले वाले मंदिर का छोटा पंडित।
तो क्या करूं मैं?
तो भाई इसमें से 8 रील है. Which is the best one according to you? By far.
I think it's either Vasuli bhai or Bhool Bhulaiya because I love Bhool Bhulaiya and like Vasuli bhai was funny because it's gonna be true. Ferrari knows how to fuck shit up. So
भाई the editing was so good. It was out of expectation. कि like
truly
वसूली निकलेगा.
Vasuli, like I wasn't expecting Vasuli. So I would give it to Vasuli bhai.
वसूली भाई guys.
हाँ.
Super brave.
क्योंकि प्लान एल तो आने वाला है.
तो by the way, this is the end of the podcast. But I would want, I'm like insisting कि जिसने भी ये देखा है, put on any kind of comment. इसको like what kind of segments you liked, कि फिर कौन सा part of podcast you like, or you didn't like. Criticism is also welcome. Feedback is welcome. और like अगर तुम लोग देख ही रहे हो तो फॉलो भी करे दो यार. like हम लोग अच्छा ही कुछ डालने वाले हैं आगे. like hopefully. But it will be very similar kind of content. तो this is just a gist. आगे की सिर्फ चेंजेस ये होगा कि like we'll be reviewing the races as well. तो इसमें हम लोग सिर्फ जनरल सीजन की बातें कर रहे थे बट रेसेस में और भी मजा आएगा आई वुड से. बिकॉज वो स्पेसिफिक रेस के स्पेसिफिक हीटेड मोमेंट्स हम लोग रिप्ले करेंगे एंड लाइक वी कैन जस्ट हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस. So that's it. Thanks for joining, guys. See ya.
Thank you for the support.